welcome back to MojaveKY. So glad you could join us. So for today's video, we're going to do an oil change on a 2018 Ford Fiesta. Simple thing to do, just a couple things to watch out for. When you take the oil filter off, there are a couple of the cooling hoses. I don't know why Ford put the oil filter where it is, but the oil is going to drip onto those hoses, and obviously that makes a bit of a mess. So you can put some towels there in advance just to help you with the cleanup. Second thing is, anytime you take an oil filter out, just make sure that that O-ring that's on the oil filter itself is not stuck to the car. I've had that happen on one occasion. I didn't notice it. I put the other filter back on and oil went everywhere in the garage. So fortunately my floor is painted, so it was an easy cleanup, but you don't want to do that cleanup. Plus it means 2 oil changes, so you just doubled the amount because it just pours the oil out on the floor. So my son did this video, and this is a friend of his car, so enjoy, and hope this helps you out.
All right, so you're going to need 4 quarts of 5W20, a filter. We used Wix 51348, catch basin, some Chaulks, and something to get your car up in the air so you can change it. So here you can see the car is up on the ramps, ready to get the oil changed. Once you've got the car up in the air, just make sure to put the Chaulks, just to make sure the car doesn't roll back on you and hurt you. So go ahead and pop the hood, and then just open up the hood. This is an automatic one, so you got to put the stick in. Then next, take the oil cap out. I'd also take the dipstick out at this time. Go ahead and slide the catch basin under to make it easier to capture the oil. Go ahead and look and see where the filter is. It's right towards the front of the vehicle. And then the drain plug is right there. With the catch basin in place, go ahead and remove the drain plug and let the oil fully drain out. Once it's drained, you can remove the oil filter and have that drain out too. Honestly, I usually remove this first before removing the oil, and remember, it's going to get on those hoses. They're in a bad spot. With the oil fully drained, go ahead and screw the drain plug back in with your hand. Hand tighten it as much as you can, and then tighten it up with a wrench. You don't want to cross thread it. Alright, with the new filter back in and the drain plug in, go ahead and put the oil in. You might need some help holding the funnel up. With the funnel in place, add your 4 quarts of oil. At this point, you can remove the funnel and put the dipstick back in and the oil cap back on, and you are ready to start her up. So now would just be a good time to check for leaks and make sure everything is good, and then close your hood and you are done. Congrats.
Hey, so thank you so much for watching this MojaveKY video. Like I said, simple oil change. Hopefully this helps you out if you have a Ford Fiesta, or if you have some other vehicle like my Jeep back behind you. So more videos to come. We've got some stuff on the Jeep. We have some videos on the Mustang. We shot the video already. I just need to edit them. Honestly, I've needed to edit them for a while, but anyway, thank you guys so much for joining us. We really appreciate you watching, and as always, keep modding.